Did you know that there is a natural way to regrow teeth and gums that 97% of people have never even heard of? Doctors say swallowing these bacteria is better than dental implants. It may sound odd, but it is scientifically proven. According to a Harvard scientist, swallowing these newly discovered bacteria is all you need to do to fix all your dental issues, from gum bleeding and teeth rotting to bad breath and cavities. These amazingly efficient bacteria work by reconstructing the outer layer of your teeth enamel, making them 20x stronger than a normal tooth. Like a titanium shield against cavities, root infection, and enamel erosion. Some say their teeth are now stronger than a dental implant. I urge you to stop everything you're doing and click the link below to watch a short free special video that will show you exactly how you can start using this method today. If it's already worked for more than 34,788 people, then it can surely work for you too. It doesn't involve any type of oral hygiene products, prescription medications, or expensive procedures. In fact, you never even have to step foot into a dentist office. This method is something you can do from home. The crazy part is that it only takes a few seconds to do, and it starts restoring the years of damaged, receding gums and decaying teeth back to normal in just a matter of days. So if you or a loved one is struggling with bleeding or receding gums, gingivitis, gum infections, toothaches, or decay, bad breath, or any type of periodontal issues, then this could save your life. The billion-dollar dental industry does not want you to see this video and discover the fastest, most powerful gum and teeth rejuvenating secret on the planet. Click the link below and watch it before it's too late. Click it now, as it will disappear in just a few seconds.